Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Air Footscape Woven by Nike in a black Croc colorway. These were released back on the 18th of November 2023 for the retail price of £140 here in the UK. I picked these up at Offspring for £52 and it comes in a red and white Nike box. Open up the box, comes with shoes wrapped in white paper and a pair of cream laces, which were a nice touch, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Nike's Air Footscape sneakers originally released in 1996. In fall winter 2023, Nike released the Black Croc iteration with the original asymmetric lacing system, woven uppers that sit on a cushy air sole. The reptilian leather uppers combined with a basket weave style, plus the simple colorway results in a smart, almost luxury feeling sneaker. Subtle Nike branding on the tongue and the swoosh logo at the heel keeps things clean. Designed by Tori Olzek, the mind behind the Air Mock. Olzek was focused on creating footform shoes built around the anatomical shape of the foot, while the ergonomic upper and asymmetric lacing system allows it to hug the foot and move naturally. On feet, I went true to size. It has a nice snug fit while being wide foot friendly. As much as we like to complain about the increase in price of sneakers, it's nice to see steals like this around, and I recommend grabbing these like I did for below retail. As usual, purchase links with my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching. Please drop a like and comment woven to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, what's your latest steal pickup? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.